Today I'll be doing another tutorial on how to create a facade from an image, in this case of someone's face. So once again, I'm going to open Image Sampler. Once again, I'm going to select the image that I want to import. I'm just setting the domains to 100 in this case. Then I eventually adjusted it to be the size of the pixel width. Then I'm going to create a series. Just copy it so I have two series. Now I'm going to create a number slider with just the value of the pixels in each direction, in this case it being 455 and 457. Just connecting each series / number slider together. Then selecting a cross-reference module. Just linking list A and B to the series. Then I'm creating this grid from this cross-reference. And then connecting it to the image sampler. And once again, I'm going to select brightness from the image sampler. Here I've just put a panel so I can see the kind of data coming out of the image sampler. Then I'm going to click line SDL. Now I'm just using Y-axis for direction. Then putting the length and connecting it to the image sampler. Then the start being the cross-reference. Then I'm turning off the preview. And now it gives a rather creepy result. Now I'm just using a partition list and linking the line to the list. The X to the size. Turning off that line SDL. Then using the chunks and putting it into curve for the endpoints. Then using polyline just using the end and putting it into the vertices. Then I changed it to the start. Then another polylines and putting the end into the vertices. Now I'm using a weave to plug in the polyline to stream 0 and 1, then turning off the preview for the polylines. You can kind of see it's starting to kind of come together now. Now I'm using a loft and plugging that weave into the curves. this point, my grasshopper did switch to not responding for a little bit, but eventually it kind of went back to being okay. Now I'm adjusting the domain again, just to see if I can kind of refine the result I'm getting. Then decreasing the number of sliders just to kind of reflect the changed domain. Then I'm just baking the result that I got. And ended up putting a background to it just so it was kind of easy to see the segments that were lofted. Now I also tried this again with an image that I kind of ended up inversing. And I do think I prefer the version that I used the inversed image for. I'm just baking the result I got this time into a different layer. And once again, I'm just putting a surface behind, just to kind of help add clarity to the image or facade. Then I'm just rotating it so it aligns with the first facade. And now you've got a creepy face facade that would work for any image that you're choosing.